Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install MetaMask wallet on Google Chrome. First, go to metamask.io. Make sure it's the correct website. Otherwise, you might lose your crypto to phishing sites. Click download, scroll down a bit, and click on this install MetaMask for Chrome. Now click on this add to Chrome, and then click on this add extension. Downloading. Just wait a moment. After downloading, you will be directed to this site. Read and understand the MetaMask terms of use. Click on this to agree, then click on create a new wallet. If you agree to help improve MetaMask, click I agree. Next, set a strong password. Take this, then click create a new wallet. Now click on this secure my wallet to get your secret recovery phrase. Click this to reveal it, so you will have a 12-word recovery phrase. Do not share it with anyone. You can copy the clipboard and save it, but it's better to write it down and hide it somewhere safe. Next, if you saved your recovery phrase, you can fill in the missing words here. Now confirm it. Alright, you now have a MetaMask wallet. Just simply tap on this done. You can enable security alerts and NFT auto detection. So here is our new MetaMask wallet. Click on this puzzle piece to pin it on Google Chrome extension. Now pin this and you are good to go. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.